In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download project files from Lovable AI with a runtime of approximately 2 to 2.5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone new to the platform, this walkthrough will help you easily navigate through the steps needed to save your valuable work onto your device. Let's begin by logging into your Lovable AI account. If you haven't set up an account yet, be sure to do so first. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with the main interface that Lovable AI has to offer. Once inside, you'll want to make your way to the project's dashboard. This is essentially the central hub where all your projects are stored, organized neatly for easy access. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't already, as knowing your way around can make your future tasks faster and more efficient. When you're looking at your project's dashboard, you'll see a list of all the projects you've been working on. Scroll through this list and select the specific project you'd like to download. This might seem straightforward, but if you have multiple projects, taking a second to ensure you're clicking the right one can prevent any headaches later. After selecting your project, look for an option that says Export or Download. This feature is designed to make it as simple as possible for you to back up and transfer projects onto your personal storage. Now, once you've clicked on that Export or Download option, you'll be presented with different formats you can choose from to save your files. Typically, Lovable AI will offer you the choice to save as a zip file or as a source code package. It's crucial to consider which format best suits your needs. A zip file is often compressed to reduce size, making it quicker to download and easier to keep organized, especially if you plan to store it for a while. On the other hand, opting for a source code package could be advantageous if you need to maintain all original files separately, perhaps for software development or further coding tasks. Finally, save the project files locally to your device. Ensure you choose a location that's easy to remember, maybe within a specific folder dedicated to your AI projects. This way, locating your files again will be quick and uncomplicated whenever you're ready to work on them again. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure that you're downloading your project files correctly from Lovable AI. Whether for backup, sharing, or further development, having your files saved securely and efficiently will allow you to manage your resources and creativity with confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.